Hello friends, today I'm doing the new unboxing and this will be the Road Micro Wow, something like that. So I've got the package today and I will open it. Put this here and let's see. So product name is called Video Micro Compact On Camera Microphone, and it looks like that. And this is from Rode. See, this is what I mean. I don't like this feature. So yeah, I switched to different autofocus because when I do this, it doesn't focus. And now it does. So this is the Rode Video Micro. I've got it on Amazon for some 50 bucks or something. And I wanted to get it because I'm filming on this Canon camera which has lenses, and when I shoot in servo AF it always that sound of lenses. That's why I wanted to switch or to do some kind of microphone, and hopefully it will be less hearable, but I don't know. So I've got this one and they say it's a good quality, and for the price you pay it's kind of good, and even it's sometimes better than other more expensive Rode microphones. Let's see. So I have to open it. Let me see where I have something. This lens is so loud. Let me open it with this. Ta-da. And it says here it's compact on camera microphone, 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, Rycote lyre suspension mount included. So yeah, that's, and also that thing, I got it because it has this thing included too, that cut. So this is how it looks. Let's remove it from this package. Yay! So here are more stuff. So it comes with this, which is instruction, I guess. And then comes with the cable. It looks like this. Let's take it off. Then it comes with this mount, which is weird because it's already on. Hope not. This thing looks like this. Okay, let's, and this thingy looks like this. It has a Rode sticker here, tag. can put finger inside and feel some nice sponge. Okay, I say to put it here somehow. But some people in videos do this. So I will do that too. Okay, we mounted it here, kind of easy. And now we put this fluffy stuff. I guess that's it. Now we plug cable. Hope it doesn't matter which ending. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's hard to plug in. Okay. Now I will plug it into my thing. So let's do test. So this is how my internal microphone in Canon SL2 sounds. So this is audio test 1, 2, 3 audio test. And this is how it is with microphone. So I try to say the same way, not too loud. And yeah, this is how it is with microphone. So I plug in this mic, and this is sound test with microphone. So sound test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 sound test. And I don't know if you hear less, but it is on servo AF, and let's see if it will pick up lens movement much or less. Okay, and on the screen of my Canon SL2 I also see that it is some icon that it show like microphone is different one, but in the menu there is not any option to change sound. It just says auto, so I didn't change in menus anything. So yeah, that's like it is. And I can also check maybe how it sounds from this side. So here now I'm talking behind the microphone, and I wonder if you hear me well. Now I talk a little closer. It's like just 1 feet away from the microphone. And this is how it sounds when I'm really closer to this microphone. So I wonder how it will come out. So yeah, installation of it was really easy. And I didn't change any settings in menu in my Canon SL2. So I don't know if it will be better or not. So yeah, that's how it is. It looks really funny with this wind stuff. Wind that got on. And it little make movements. Okay. So this is my unboxing of Video Micro. Here is quick start guide. The Video Micro does not require batteries for operation, but instead uses the plug-in power to put microphone input and manual and plug-in power on. Okay. So yeah, this is my new mic, Rode Video Micro. So yeah, this is my new mic, Rode Video Micro. 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it of my Video Micro test. This one. So hope you enjoy such unboxing and yeah, hope it will be a little better than before. Maybe I will also use it when I will be vlogging with this camera outside, but I don't vlog much with this one, which is Canon SL2, because it's kind of heavy for everyday vlogging, unless I would put really light lens, but I don't have this 10 to 18 millimeters. I only have 17 to 41, 1 to 4 L lens, but I don't think it's good for vlogging because it's heavy. Okay, so that's it for today unboxing. Hope you enjoy videos like that. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.